Alright guys, here we are doing another lab. This lab is called What is a Homogeneous Mixture? We have our materials in front of us here. I'm also going to get another video going of the lab sheet here so you can see what the materials are. Alright, so here are your materials. This is your lab sheet here. Our purpose is to explore what is the difference between a heterogeneous mixture and a homogeneous mixture. And our materials, I'm going to zoom in for you, are sugar, water, lemon juice, a stirring rod, and a cup. I'm doing this video at home. I don't have a stirring rod with me. They're all in the classroom, so I'm going to use the trusty old plastic spoon. All right, you'll be able to drink the mixture when you're finished. Well, for you virtual guys, you have to do this at home if you want to drink it. We're basically just making lemonade, so you can do this at home if you want to. Don't drink the mixture until you're given directions to do so. Don't drink all of it until the lab has been checked by your teacher. All right, so let's start off. We're going to fill a cup half full with water. So let's do that now. All right, I've got my glass of water here. Half full with water. Add a spoonful of sugar to the water in the cup. Here's my sugar inside here. Stir until it's well mixed. Oops, it's not going to work that handed. Let me try it this way. You can see right now I've got kind of a suspension going on where there are sugar crystals floating all through the water, but we'll keep stirring it, keep stirring it. Okay, until it's well mixed. Add lemon juice to the water in the cup. I'm using a bottle of organic lemon juice here. You could do this with a fresh lemon if you wanted to, or real lemon, which is a common brand you can find in the stores a lot. Okay, so I've added lemon juice to the cup. Let's see, stir that until it's well mixed again. So here we are stirring that. And now we're going to observe the solution in the cup. Let me use my right hand so you can see. Observe the solution in the cup there. What do we have? I'm going to set it down. I'm going to come in again from the top with the other camera. Solution in the cup. You can see that there are some things going on in there. All right, so looking back at our lab sheet, what do you see? So we're going to our data table down here, the visual observation of one cup. So that's what we're going to write in here. I've given you enough room there that you could write a sentence or two, what's going on in that cup. All right, next we're going to pour the solution into 3 separate cups, having an equal amount in both. And we're just estimating that visually. We're not having to measure it all out. All right, so I have 2 empty cups here. I'm going to use this as my 3rd cup. And it's not bad. All right. So we've poured the solution into 3 separate cups, having an equal amount in both. Now we're going to observe each cup. Are there differences, or are they the same? So in my 2nd column on the lab sheet here, I'm going to look at the observation of the 3 cups. So comparing each one of them, I would line them up nicely and get down low and kind of look through the sides here. If I was doing that in the classroom, but let me hold them up here so you can kind of see them and see what you think. Do they look kind of the same? So I'm going to do 2 at a time here. And I'll show you again from the top here in just a second. Are looking from the top down into the 3 cups. Zoom in a little bit. There's cup 1, cup 2, and cup 3. Give each one a stir as we go back over it again. There's cup 3, cup 2, and cup 1. Okay, back to our lab sheet. We've entered our data in column 2 here. Take a sip from each of the 3 cups. Are there differences? Are they the same? Well, sadly, you can't do this at home. Take a sip. Tastes like lemonade. And tasting them, they all have a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of a tartness. The sweet from the sugar, the tart from the lemon. And I can tell you they all taste the same. So hopefully you can make this at home too, so that you can actually taste them. Enter the data in column 3. You can put Scott says they all taste the same, or if you're doing this at home, actually write down what you find on that. All right, now we're going to review our data and write our conclusion. So our conclusion then is answering the question, remember, to explore the difference between a heterogeneous mixture and a homogeneous mixture. Well, that's not a question, but we still need to say what that is. So is this a heterogeneous or a homogeneous mixture? And why do we say that? So that's what we're going to put for our conclusion. And that's the end of the lab. Make sure after you write up your conclusion that's in your notebook, that you take a picture and send it to me.